Hey guys, welcome to Prognosy Capital. This is Prashant. So today's topic is clues. How to find the clues from our data so you can predict the market trend, right? So in front of you we have two sheets. One is market snapshot and second one is expiry voice option data. So this is the 10th March market snapshot. We post it in our group, Prognosy Capital, on daily basis. So 10th March was the expiry, and on that day, Nifty hit 15,200 on upside, and Bank Nifty hit 36,000 on upside. As usual, smart money closed their positions. They taken profit of 5,000 crores in options only. Those also closed their positions. So smart money can be pros and FIIs both, right? So what I am going to show you in these sheets a very unusual data, right? So in this sheet, Nifty and Bank Nifty option data. These are the expiries, option expiries, and above that the monthly expiries. So in Nifty, only Nifty call and puts, we have seen the option unwinding, but not in Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the unusual thing. We have seen the option unwinding in only Nifty, right? So these are the this is the 10th of March expiry, right? So now I am going to show you the exact data, the exact unusual data, right? So let's go to next slide. So this is the slide where you can find the actual data of options expiry wise, right? So we have covered here three expiries, three options expiries, including monthly expiry also, and these are the future expiries, right? So this is the call option and this is the put options. So I find the unusual data on 10th of expiry where the Nifty was at the top of the let's say 15,200. Nifty hit at 50,200. On the 10th of expiry, we have 18 expiry pending and we have monthly expiry pending. But on the monthly expiry, the unusual data was happened that the 14,000 put writers, 14,000 strike के जो put writers है, they were exited. And how much? 8,38,000 contracts were closed on 10th of expiry, where we have 18 was pending, right? But in monthly expiry, what was happened? 14,000 put writers were exited, where the premium was only 23 rupees. Okay, so what was the reason behind this? And this is unusual data, actually unusual data, where the Nifty was trading on 15,200. Why the 14,000 put writers exited? So normally you can say 15,000 put writer exited, that we can understand. 14,900 put writers exited, we can understand. They were trying to book their profits, right? But what is the reason behind 14,000 put writers? They were exited on 10th of expiry. And which put writer? Monthly put writers. And who is doing monthly option writing? Only smart money, right? So we can say on the 10th of expiry, FII and Pro closes their positions, and what level? 14,000. 14,000 strike price was selected, or put writers of 14,000 was exited on 10th of expiry. right? So this is the reason where market come to 14,500, and from that level market reverse. But still we have monthly expiry pending, and this data suggests that market can come to 14,000, but I am not sure about that because market already reversed, but it can be a retracement. So this is the data I want to show you, I want to share with you. And this same data was posted in our Telegram channel. Here we can see the more data you can check over here. The same question was asked my B on the same day. Here you can see the question and answer for PDA members in Nifty. Which strike and expiry put writers are exited? The same questions I have asked on the same day because I have seen this unusual data, and I on that day only I asked the same question in the group, right? So our PDA members given the correct answer, that is 14,000 expiry on monthly expiry, 14,000 monthly expiry, right? 37 answers we have got, and this is the correct answer. So the reason behind it is that 14,000 put writers were exited, and that is in monthly expiry. It shows that put writers are lost their faith in Nifty, right? So the reason behind this video is only this. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe us. Thank you very much.